Brad Williams, Excel primed, show all text before the comma. Otherwise, show everything. Does this sound familiar? Yes, we did the exact same thing with text after. What we're doing is looking for a comma. If we don't find a comma, show everything in the cell. That's exactly what we see here. Our layout, text before B5, similar to what we did earlier. And we're using this match end. We're using a number 1. Match the delimiter against the end of the text. Our output, if we have a comma, taking it from the end, grabbing everything for the comma. And there's not a comma. Our output is going to be Brian Ron Jones. The way it works is using this match end, treats the end of a text as a delimiter. By default, the text is an exact match. Optional, enter the following. When we don't have a match, we have a default. Just capture everything. As I mentioned, it's sort of like an if statement. If A, that's not true, go to B. Here's the anatomy. This is only our 15th example. I think you by now collectively understand how this flows. A write-up, same as all before. The only difference, text after was changed with text before. Brad Williams, Excel primed.